The Congo Basin, a place of immense beauty. It is the beating heart of Africa. The Congo Basin is a region that captivates the imagination with its sheer size and the richness of its natural resources. Stretching across several countries, it is a vital part of the African continent. The Congo is a vast country in Central Africa. It is a land of contrasts where modern cities coexist with ancient forests. The country's landscape is as diverse as its people, ranging from dense rainforests to sprawling savannas. It is home to the second largest rainforest in the world. This rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, housing countless species of plants and animals. The dense canopy of trees forms a green blanket that stretches as far as the eye can see. This makes it vitally important for the health of our planet. The Congo rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. It is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth. The Congo River, the lifeline of the region, flows through the country. This mighty river is the second longest in Africa and provides water, food, and transportation to millions of people. Its waters are teeming with fish, and its banks are lined with lush vegetation. It is a source of life and a means of transportation for the people and wildlife. The river is a bustling hub of activity, with boats ferrying goods and people from one place to another. Along its banks, communities thrive, relying on the river for their daily needs. The Congo is a land of incredible biodiversity. It is a sanctuary for a wide variety of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The rainforest is a living laboratory where scientists discover new species and study the complex web of life. It is home to 1/10 of the world's known species of plants and animals. This includes a stunning array of flora and fauna, from towering trees to tiny insects. The diversity of life in the Congo rainforest is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. This includes gorillas, elephants, and okapis. These iconic animals are symbols of the Congo's rich natural heritage. Gorillas, with their powerful presence, roam the forest floor, while elephants traverse the landscape in search of food. The elusive okapi, with its zebra-like stripes, is a rare and fascinating sight. The Congo is a place of great cultural richness. Its people are as diverse as its landscapes, with a rich tapestry of traditions and customs. The vibrant culture of the Congo is expressed through music, dance, and art, reflecting the deep connection between the people and their land. It is home to over 200 different ethnic groups. Each group has its own unique language, traditions, and way of life. This cultural diversity is a source of strength and resilience as communities come together to celebrate their heritage and build a better future, each with its own unique traditions and beliefs. From traditional dances to intricate rituals, the cultural practices of the Congo are a window into the soul of its people. These traditions are passed down from generation to generation, preserving the rich history and identity of the Congo. The Congo River is a sight to behold. Its majestic flow through the heart of Africa is a testament to the raw beauty and power of nature. The river winds its way through dense rainforests, creating a lifeline for the diverse ecosystems and communities that depend on it. It flows for over 4,700 kilometers, making it the second longest river in Africa after the Nile. The river's journey begins in the highlands of the East African Rift and continues through the Congo Basin, eventually emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. It is the deepest river in the world, with depths reaching up to 220 meters. This incredible depth allows it to support a wide range of aquatic life and provides a unique habitat for many species found nowhere else on Earth. The river is a source of life for the people of the Congo. For centuries, it has been a vital resource for local communities, providing them with water for drinking, irrigation, and sanitation. The riverbanks are dotted with villages where people live in harmony with the natural world. It provides them with food, water, and transportation. Fishing is a major activity along the river, with many families relying on the abundant fish species for their daily sustenance. The river also serves as a crucial transportation route, connecting remote communities and facilitating trade. The river is also home to a wide variety of wildlife. The lush vegetation along its banks supports numerous species of birds, mammals and reptiles, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem including hippos, crocodiles and fish. These animals play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the river and its surroundings. The presence of such diverse wildlife is a testament to the health and vitality of the Congo River. Traveling along the Congo River is like traveling back in time. The river's untouched landscapes offer a glimpse into a world that has remained largely unchanged for millennia. It is a journey through history, where one can witness the timeless beauty of nature. The rainforest is largely untouched by humans. This pristine environment is a sanctuary for countless species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. The dense canopy and rich biodiversity make it one of the most important ecological regions in the world. It is a place of peace and tranquility. The gentle flow of the river and the sounds of the forest create a serene atmosphere, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It is a place where one can reconnect with nature and find inner peace. The Congo River is a vital part of the Congo Basin ecosystem. It supports a complex web of life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. The health of the river is directly linked to the health of the entire region. It is important to protect the river from pollution and deforestation. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this natural wonder for future generations. By safeguarding the Congo River, we ensure the survival of its unique ecosystems and the well-being of the communities that depend on it. The Congo rainforest is a vast and mysterious place. It is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. The rainforest is home to a wide variety of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. These include gorillas, chimpanzees, and forest elephants. The rainforest is a place of great beauty. It is home to towering trees, lush vegetation, and cascading waterfalls. The rainforest is a vital part of the global ecosystem. It helps to regulate the climate and provide oxygen. The sounds of the Congo rainforest are as diverse as its wildlife. From the calls of monkeys to the chirping of insects, the rainforest is alive with music. The music of the Congo is an integral part of the culture. It is used for celebrations, rituals, and everyday life. The music is often used to tell stories and to connect with nature. The music of the Congo is a reminder of the importance of preserving the rainforest. It is a source of inspiration and wonder. Section 5. Guardians of the Forest. The indigenous people of the Congo have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries. They have a deep understanding of the forest and its importance. The indigenous people are the guardians of the forest. They protect it from deforestation and other threats. They use the resources of the forest sustainably. The indigenous people are an important part of the Congo Basin ecosystem. It is important to respect their rights and their knowledge. Section 6. Endangered treasures. The Congo rainforest is home to many endangered species. These include gorillas, forest elephants, and okapis. These animals are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and the illegal wildlife trade. It is important to protect these animals from extinction. We can all do our part to help protect endangered species by supporting conservation efforts and reducing our impact on the environment. Section 7. A tapestry of sound and silence. The Congo rainforest is a place of both great sound and great silence. As the sun rises, its rays pierce through the dense canopy, casting a golden glow on the forest floor. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers, creating an atmosphere that is both invigorating and serene. The sounds of the forest are a reminder of the abundance of life that exists there. Birds chirp melodiously, insects buzz in a harmonious symphony, and the distant calls of monkeys echo through the trees. Each sound tells a story, a narrative of survival, communication, and the intricate web of life that thrives in this lush environment. The silence of the forest is just as profound. In the stillness, one can hear the subtle rustling of leaves, the gentle whisper of the wind, and the occasional drop of water falling from a leaf. This silence is not an absence of sound, but a presence of tranquility, a moment of pause in the otherwise bustling life of the forest. It is a silence that is broken only by the sounds of nature, the gentle flow of a stream, the soft rustle of leaves in a light breeze, and the distant rumble of thunder in the rainy season. These sounds are a gentle reminder of the natural rhythms that govern this ancient forest. This silence is a reminder of the peace that can be found in nature. In a world that is often chaotic and noisy, the Congo rainforest offers a sanctuary of calm and reflection. It is a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the primal rhythms of the earth. The Congo rainforest is a place where we can connect with nature and find peace. Whether it is through a quiet walk among the towering trees, a moment of meditation by a tranquil stream, or simply sitting and listening to the symphony of life around us, this ancient forest offers a profound sense of connection and serenity. Section 8. A call to action: preserving paradise. The Congo rainforest is under threat. Deforestation, mining, and climate change are all taking their toll. We need to act now to protect this vital ecosystem. We can all do our part by supporting conservation efforts, reducing our carbon footprint, and raising awareness about the importance of the rainforest. The future of the Congo rainforest is in our hands. Section 9. A legacy for generations. The Congo rainforest is a gift. It is a place of incredible beauty and biodiversity. It's a source of life for millions of people. We have a responsibility to protect this precious resource for future generations. We need to act now to ensure that the Congo rainforest continues to thrive. Let us leave a legacy of conservation for our children and grandchildren.